What if your cells could talk? Imagine a world where the tiniest building blocks of your body could whisper secrets about your daily life. What if your cells could talk? They would reveal how your emotions, habits, and choices ripple through their microscopic universe, shaping health, energy, and even longevity. Picture this: zooming from the vast cosmos into Earth, then plunging deeper into a human body. The screen bursts with bioluminescent colors, vibrant purples, electric blues, and emerald greens. Here, cells aren't just science, they're inhabitants of a glowing metropolis. Neurons flicker like neon billboards in a bustling neural district. Red blood cells dart through vein highways like speedy taxis, delivering oxygen cargo. Mitochondria power plants hum with ATP energy, lighting up factories. Muscle cells stand as towering skyscrapers, flexing with purpose. This is no ordinary city. It's your inner world, alive and responsive. The story begins with a human figure, animated and gender-neutral, sitting in a serene room in a meditative pose. Soft light filters through, and as they breathe deeply, the camera overlays a transparent view of their body's interior. The cellular city pulses in rhythm with their heartbeat. Curiosity sparks. Hello, is anyone there? My cells. If you could talk, what would you say about how I live, eat, and feel? The screen splits, human on one side, the glowing city on the other. Membranes ripple like awakening citizens, stretching after a long day. A chorus of voices emerges, each cell type with a unique personality. Red blood cells bubbly and chatty, brain cells wise and philosophical, heart cells rhythmic and warm, immune cells tough like guards on patrol. The cells respond in harmonious unison. We're here. We've always been here, tirelessly working, listening to every beat, every bite, every thought. We feel your joys and pains before you do. The human leans in, eyes wide with wonder. Let's start with love. What happens inside when I feel real connection? With a partner, friend, or even a pet? The view dives into the heart's district, a vibrant neighborhood of cardiomyocytes beating in perfect sync. The area explodes into a festival. Lights dance, cells high-five in synchronized waves. Oxytocin floods in, visualized as sparkling fireworks raining gentle warmth, relaxing cell walls and boosting repairs. A heart cell speaks first, its voice affectionate and pulsing like a drum. Love is our grand celebration. When you hug or share kindness, oxytocin washes over us like a soothing balm. Our contractions strengthen, rhythms smooth out. No more irregular flutters from isolation. We divide and heal faster, feeling almost immortal in that glow. Loneliness? It tightens us up, spikes inflammation. But true love? It fortifies our walls, reduces wear and tear. From the brain's neural skyline, a neuron chimes in, sparkly and thoughtful. Up here, love ignites synapses like a midnight cityscape. Dopamine surges through reward pathways, forging new connections. Memories of joy etch deeper, resilience builds. Unrequited love, though. It floods us with stress signals, fraying dendrites. Keep love circulating. It's our ultimate recharge. Touched, the human nods. I never realized emotions hit you so hard. What about stress? Deadlines? Arguments? Constant worry? How do you cope? The scene darkens, shifting to the adrenal glands atop the kidneys. Storm clouds gather. Cortisol pours as acid rain, eroding membranes and clogging streets. Mitochondria flicker like failing generators. DNA strands fray like worn cables. Adrenal cells huddle, their voices strained and urgent. Stress is our emergency siren. Short bursts of adrenaline sharpen us, mobilizing sugars for quick energy, heightening senses like wartime alerts. But chronic stress? Cortisol overload poisons us. Mitochondria exhaust. Free radicals damage our core. We age prematurely, inviting heart disease and fatigue. Human, breathe. Meditation resets our clocks. Walks clear the toxins. Nearby, immune cells. Macrophages as burly sentinels growl wearily. We're your frontline defenders, patrolling for invaders. Stress suppresses us, thinning our ranks so viruses sneak past. Inflammation rages like unchecked wildfires, turning allies into enemies via autoimmunity. Late-night screens disrupt our circadian guards with blue light chaos. Sleep is our fortress. Prioritize it, reduce worries, and we'll shield you stronger. The human sighs reflectively, guilt flickering. I push you too hard. I'll prioritize calm, yoga, nature breaks. Shifting gears, the human asks about food. Junk versus veggies, what's the real impact? The digestive tract transforms into a grand marketplace. Nutrients arrive as deliveries, leafy greens in emerald crates bursting with antioxidants, berries as jewel pouches of vitamins. Fiber ropes feed gut microbiome vendors, who ferment goodies into short-chain fatty acids. But junk food? Flashy sugar candies cause chaotic spikes, fats as oily sludge clogging pipes, processed meats as toxic barrels sparking mutiny. Gut cells, enterocytes bubbly and enthusiastic. Cheer! Food is our lifeblood currency. Veggies and fruits deliver repair crews. Antioxidants neutralize damage. Vitamins spark enzyme factories. Fiber nurtures our bacterial allies, producing mood-boosting serotonin and keeping gut walls impermeable. Eat a rainbow, and our microbiome parties, curbing inflammation and bolstering immunity. Liver cells, hepatocytes wise and detox savvy, add gravely. We process everything. Sugars crash us after highs, leading to insulin resistance. Trans fats build plaques in our highways. Excess alcohol scars our tissues like fire damage. Hydrate with water, our cleansing rivers, or we falter. Probiotics hire more workers. Balanced meals yield ATP fireworks, powering the whole city. Ditch the midnight fries. The human chuckles, enlightened. No more guilty pleasures. Last question, thoughts. Do positive or negative mindsets truly reshape you? The brain's thought highways glow. Positive ideas as golden bridges expanding networks, negative as thorny vines choking flow. Epigenetic switches flip. Good vibes tag genes for protection, bad ones for vulnerability. Cells change hue, thriving or wilting. The brain cell returns, philosophical. Thoughts are our programming code. Optimism and gratitude release endorphins, dialing down cortisol, shielding DNA from damage. They rewire plasticity, building resilience against aging. Affirmations? They etch empowering pathways. Muscle cells, myocytes strong and motivational. Flex. Negativity atrophies us. Doubt signals less protein synthesis, weakening fibers. But visualization? It's mental reps. We ramp up mitochondria, grow denser without strain. Your mind conducts our symphony, think victory, and we deliver. Inspired, the human stands tall. You're all linked, echoing my every choice. I promise deeper love, less stress, smarter eats, brighter thoughts. The cell chorus fades upliftingly. We're one team. Nurture us, and we'll elevate you. Zooming out, the cellular city merges with the human form, radiating unity. Every heartbeat, bite, and belief echoes within. This inner world glows with intention. In this philosophical tale, blending science and emotion, we see cells not as passive parts, but active partners craving balance. Love heals, stress erodes, nutrition fuels, thoughts command. Educational yet evocative, it sparks curiosity. How might listening to your cells transform your life? Real science backs it. Oxytocin reduces cardiovascular risk, chronic cortisol links to diseases, nutrient-rich diets fight oxidative stress, mindset shifts alter gene expression via epigenetics. Your body speaks? Will you tune in? If this journey into your inner city ignited wonder, smash that like button to fuel more explorations. Subscribe now for weekly dives into science's emotional side. Turn on notifications so you never miss the magic. Drop a comment. What would your cells whisper to you today? Share with a friend who needs this reminder. Thanks for joining. Your curiosity powers us.